a 3-bedroom house for only Philippine peso, 2 million. Sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, with smart planning and the right strategy, it's not entirely out of reach, especially here in the Philippines. In today's video, let us break down how realistic it is to build a 3-bedroom home with a Philippine peso 2 million. Budget in 2025? First, let's set some expectations. Philippine peso 2 million is a tight budget, especially with the current material prices and labor rates. As of 2025, the average construction cost per square meter ranges between Philippine peso 20,000 to Philippine peso 30,000, depending on materials, finishes, and location. If we do the math, a Philippine peso 2 million budget gives you around 65 to 100 square meters of livable space, depending on how simple or minimal your design is. To make this happen, you have to make smart compromises. Minimalist design. Stick to a simple box-deep layout. Every corner, curve, and complicated feature costs extra money. A rectangular or square floor plan is cheapest to build. Material choices. Go for mid-range finishes. Ceramic floor tiles instead of high-end granite. Metal sheet roofing instead of heavy tiles. Painted plain walls instead of complicated cladding. DIY or owner-supplied items. You can save money by purchasing some fixtures yourself, like faucets, toilets, and lighting, instead of letting the contractor mark up the prices. Phased construction. You might finish the main house structure first, then slowly upgrade the interiors over time. Many families choose to delay non-essential features like fancy ceiling works, landscaping, or garage paving. Also, location matters. In provincial areas where labor rates and material hauling costs are cheaper, your Philippine peso 2 million will go further compared to building inside Metro Manila. Important, always factor in permits, professional fees, and utility connections into your Philippine peso 2 million. Dan T make the mistake of allocating the full amount to construction alone. You might end up short when it's time for occupancy, permits, or electricity installation. Realistic layout example. 3 small bedrooms, 1 common bathroom open plan living. Dining and kitchen area simple facade, no expensive trims final verdict. Yes, you can build a 3-bedroom house for Philippine peso 2 million. But only if you manage your design expectations, finish selections, and project scope properly. I'll be sharing more sample floor plans and real-world case studies in our upcoming videos. Make sure you subscribe if you're serious about building smart in 2025. Thanks for tuning in to BuildSmart Global, your trusted guide to smart, practical, and stress-free home building. See you next time.